L PvP There are too many now.
Oh, dami
Don't hit the boss, guys.
They are not synchronized. We are winning.
Hello guys, boss rush na. Tuesday ngayon eh. 1 minute. Segundo na lang pala, 30 seconds. Tingnan natin kung kalaban yung matatapat sa atin. Yan na. Go, let's go. Op, kalaban. Kain 10.
Kain sa pulos, Chok.
Kain 10 guys.
Ooh.
Labanan na naman.
Two
Sub-clans.
enemy, ah.
Only sub-clans.
Saudi Cup. Pwede siya ng Saudi Cup.
Bali. Bart
Two enemy, ah.
Farmer.
To enemy.
They're only sub-clans eh.
Clan?
Sub-clan.
Oh.
Bart
Party. Let's go.
Kalaban ba yung... Okay.
Anyway, we don't have Sun. Ratatos will be tanker, ah.
Okay.
Yes.
Kain 10 guys kalaban. Ayan. Let's go. Saan ba tayo?
Oh, fuck. Wait.
Hello, shoutout. Kilala tayo guys.
Chok PTO pa.
Shoutout.
Who else?
Party Chok.
Chok, pa.
May Pinoy pala
Patosa.
sa Kain 10 guys. Nakalimutan ko ito. May Pinoy pala sa Kain 10 guys.
Starlight shines even more.
Okay, chat.
Magic is purely a byproduct of the natural world.
Wala tayo mo nun.
Wait ha, i-check West ha. TP West.
I think guys. Hindi tayo mag-push nga.
Come.
O yun na.
We already hit the boss.
Alright. Malalakas din to eh. Kain 10 na to eh.
Just go inside.
Let's go na ba?
Wait ha, Chok.
Yan.
Where are the enemy?
The enemy is still outside, ah.
Ah. Kalaban natin Kain 10 guys.
Wait.
Kain 10 na tas isang bot clan. Oo. Bart's
Just ready to react ha.
natin sila. Lo. Yan na sila guys.
Katabak.
Compress.
Turn back. Guys, turn back. PPP.
Okay guys. Hindi muna tayo guys. No? Kahit hindi tayo.
Wait. Regroup.
Nakabulag lang tayo dito guys eh.
Can fight ah. They're weak.
Okay.
Please. Don't hit the boss first ah. The boss will follow us.
Yun is done. Yun, nice.
Compress guys.
One party at the face team attack the boss rush 4.
Compress.
Everyone is don't go near the boss. Just hit and run. Compress. Don't let enemies scattered our
Behind.
Ayun.
Enemies behind.
Just compress. Don't chase far away. Just hit and run. Don't let the boss rush boss stun us.
Sige, kiro pa.
If
Sige,
they get stun,
kiro pa.
we get
Loading
fight.
on page 2.
Hindi mo kahirap mag-ibig. Okay, just hit and run.
PvP
Oh,
na
shit.
tayo.
Lati
just
died.
like that, boss. We got stun.
Lati. Just too far.
Better avoid the
Eh, it died
boss
because of the
stun
PvP.
now skill.
Yan na sila guys.
They're coming.
Yan na.
Coming.
Follow
Just hit
Ratato
and
Oscar.
run, compress and don't chase.
Kiro Ratato Oscar, guys.
Eventually, the boss
Ano
will
lang
die.
tayo, taga-bulag lang
Just
tayo
don't
dito,
scatter.
guys,
Okay, run away from boss. Hit the DPS, hit the boss. We only assist the DPS. Totally, enemy is scattered, that's why they are losing. So we must
Nag-iwalay sila
maintain
guys.
our
Yan
line.
na lang.
Okay, don't go too deep. Just retreat to boss. Retreat to boss, guys. We are so far away from the DPS. Guys, don't chase too far.
Opa.
Where's Opa?
Don't play like that, Opa. You are not active. Just pick, Opa. Just play Archer, Opa. Opa is here or no? Opa, just play Archer, Opa.
Lubak ka.
No need to play melee, Opa.
Behind me.
Wasting your weapon, eh.
Okay, enemy is scattered. They are not synchronized. Just don't chase so far away.
Okay.
Always.
Okay, back.
Go back to boss. Go back to boss. Don't chase far away. PvP is pointless if we lose the boss. Just protect the DPS. Guys, go back.
Agad nila guys.
If we scattered, our DPS team will lose.
Hey guys, what are you doing, guys? Come back here, eh.
Ayan na.
Let's go back.
Come on.
They cannot win this.
Coming.
Yung naglulusot nila.
Okay, go back. For in line,
LPVP
for in
ah.
line.
There are too many now.
Oo, dami
Don't hit the boss, guys.
They are not synchronized. We are winning.
Estok.
Basta
You got no hit?
Kabulag lang tayo dito guys ha.
Just always take shelter in this tree.
Oh shit.
Don't chase too far away.
Sige, cure.
Enemy is scattered and not synchronized. They are looting. Okay, avoid the boss. Avoid the boss.
Yep.
If we get stunned, we all gonna die.
Sige, para rin. Sige.
Na ganun yan Ton.
Ito at ako, ah.
Oh, okay.
Pindot ko pa yun.
Okay. We fight.
If you die, go to west.
Okay. Isipin muna guys.
Okay, Eslate, don't play solo, Eslate. Just come.
Protect our boss. Just stay behind the boss. Don't let the
Okay.
boss stun you.
Ay,
Back.
Where is our team? Why so far away?
Back here, guys. Heal your HP, don't forget.
Where is the boss?
Umiikot.
Run away, boss.
Umiikot.
Boss Packer.
Where is the boss, Opa?
Eh, PvP first. We will get stun eh.
BBB.
Backpass, eh. Wait. We get debuff, eh. Wait.
Iniwan yung boss. Okay, PvP na guys. Kaya na lang. Like ko.
So we go back close now.
Siyempre, lumabas sa ano, sa harap na nga.
Oh, they're rating the boss ah.
So they are hitting the
Ay,
ball.
only one.
They are the fish part yun.
Go back to the boss. Go back to the boss, guys. Go back to the boss.
They're chasing the boss now.
Go back to the boss. All go back to the boss.
Tinagad nila guys.
Don't chase. Don't chase.
Motherfucker.
Yan, yan, okay.
Come on. Regroup.
Regroup, healing.
It's okay, when fighting the boss play orb
Hey, rebuff. Go rebuff.
Yeah.
Eslate, boss gun, tao Eslate, boss gun.
They coming.
Yan na guys, yan na.
You coming? Ready?
He's Chinese okay
We have to ask Moonlighty for it. If we're going to ice level.
Standby.
PvP.
Behind boss. Wait for the boss.
PvP, guys.
Let's go, PvP.
I'm dying. It's okay, fuck.
You're not synchronized. Agunib.
Easy kill. First, may
Kill,
party.
kill,
Guys. Okay, sandwich them.
Ito, nasa harapan
Okay.
na.
Follow
Nice,
Ratatos.
Dylan.
Follow Ratatos.
Go.
Oh,
Go,
okay.
let's go.
Don't fight behind the boss Too painful.
No, don't chase, no.
Back.
Back to boss.
Best.
Rebuff.
Oh,
Enemy entering from the west. Enemy entering from the west.
Or rebuff and heal.
Boss almost dying Other server already done.
Almost 10 minutes.
Incoming.
Huge wave from west. From west.
Captain.
Captain, kill captain. They are trying to destroy the
Still the boat dagro.
Left side.
Okay.
Oh, he got multi-shot
Back to boss.
Okay, boss.
Back.
There's an enemy. There's an enemy behind.
They are scattered.
Behind.
Nothing synchronized.
Enemy behind.
Sana umabot tayo guys.
Oh, slow mo.
Sana umabot ako.
Okay.
Too many Careful.
Oh, they are divided.
Compress.
Ito, guys.
Sige, stand.
Okay.
Layo pala.
Heal.
Back to boss.
Oy,
Too many here.
Through knowledge.
Oy, 2 minutes. In front. Go.
Go, PvP.
Compress.
Let's go, PvP.
PvP daw.
PvP.
Follow Ratatos.
Oh, everybody hit. Enemy.
Guys, don't hit boss.
Nice G.
I died
Oh, enemy. Clear enemy first. Okay. Rebuff. Heal. Okay. Ano ba siya? Heal.
Always compress. Uy, saan yun?
Back. Behind.
Oh, there's enemy behind, no?
First
Press. Heal. They are
Okay, done.
Nice. We got it.
Go, PvP.
Oo na guys.
Kill them!
PvP na lang to.
Fight! Run. SG.
Nice G.
Nice one guys.
Tingkong become PvP player
Hey, now chase the enemy. Let's go. Run.
Nice stop Agony. Agony wanna to share or not?
Bro, they're kain no.
No, okay. Okay. We get her inside. Oh, clan hall. Okay.
No, cannot open in clan hall.
Okay, not open in clan hall.
Ken.
I think it's okay lah.
Ken?
Just
Yes.
The glory?
Yes, we usually before
Ay, alis na ba yan?
we
Go clan hall.
Yesterday, boring
Ano na
bro.
guys. Bili muna tayo dito.
Okay, so okay. What will I do with the coin? I already get the skill eh.
Just and
Unlock again. Unlock a new
I
one.
think I saw
Kaya
ko to
natin.
send to them.
Only, King Crab only one eh. Para
Nice one, guys.
Pan Narad 10 minutes.
No share scroll, no share scroll.
go clan hold, sugi.
I need. Much, I need.
What the
So,
hell?
I need one more eh. To buy it eh. Tangin na yan.
Yeah, me also. One more.
If I get this one,
Nice
I
one, guys.
get 40. This one I can
Pwede
get
na.
16 eh.
Pwede na, guys.
Sugi, can hold faster.
Next one, I will mental health.
Wala yung ano, no? Aura. Yun guys, shoutout sa mga ano dyan, ka-intent na Pilipino.
Eh, sugi, remember Tantay 2? I think we lost before ah.
Nice war.
Yeah.
Yun lang, magana na guys. Sealstone. Bye-bye.